Okay guys, so this is it. This is what we've all been waiting for. This is the Mirco website creator. This is a new feature as part of the Lead Manager. You get this absolutely free. When you register and sign up to the Lead Manager, you get the Mirco website creator, and this will allow you to create your own capture page and website to do whatever you wish to do with. Now I'm just going to take you through a very basic setup. If you want to get really creative, you can do. I'm just going to show you the basics on how to add pictures and set it up. So the first thing we do is, if you go over to the left hand side, within the Lead Manager option you have Mirco website creator. Okay, so what you have to do first is you have to have a look here where it says what you need to do is choose a prefix. Okay, check that it is available, and then your site could be ready within hours. Okay, that's up to you when you do this. First thing we're going to do is I know this is available, so I'm going to pick it, callusforwork.co.uk. So it's actually callusforwork.co.uk. Check availability. So it is available. Okay, set up site. Okay, you're about to register callusforwork.co.uk. Is this okay? Of course it is. I'm very happy with that. So now this is linked to my private eye account. Okay, so now that I have selected that name cannot be chosen by anybody else, and it is yours. Okay, or it is mine, as it should. Now what we need to do is we need to create our Mirco website. Now what we have got already in there for you is we have 3 templates. The first template is the index. So this is the first page that people come to. So in Save Pages, you go over here, you click on Index, and you select Retrieve. Now it's a very basic layout for you right here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to add pictures. We're going to teach you how to change the text. It's fully customizable, so you can create you can create links that take you to external websites or to with internal pages, add pages, and then obviously have your details at the bottom here. Look, so this is a basic, this is how yours will come when you do it. Now obviously in the image gallery we have the pictures we added earlier, and then obviously we can add extra pictures if we want to, and we're going to go through how to do all of that in this tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to do it one step at a time. So I'm going to create a tutorial for each step. So we're going to do each page as a separate tutorial. So the first page we're going to do is we're going to do the index. Now obviously we leave the page title as it is. Don't change that name or this name, and that's obviously because when you're setting this up you need that as soon as you save your first page, this will be live on the web, and I'll demonstrate that to you shortly. Let's get a few pictures and stuff on there first. Now one thing I will let you know about is you will need to delete this picture box before you can put a new picture in its place, and that's very simple. You click on it and you just hit delete and it's gone. Okay, you'll notice your cursor is here, and what we're going to do is we're going to stick a small picture in there. Let's go to the image gallery. We'll select in fact I'm going to resize the penguins, and I'm going to change them to about 250. Remember, tab across and it will automatically change the size. We're going to keep the original version, and then we're going to resize so that we've got an extra one here. Look, there it is. Then what we want to do is we close that, and we come back down here. If you hit an enter, a carriage return, and move your cursor up, and then remember, insert an image, we select our image from gallery, and we're going to select, there he is, 250 by 188, and OK. The destination must not be blank. Okay, the destination, sorry. Okay, yes, that just reminds me. When you're uploading a new picture, obviously you'll need to put its destination. Well, its destination, as you see here, is the page title. So you just need to type in there BUSINESS business template, and then OK. And there it is. So we have our penguins have arrived. Now up here you have your company logo. So our company logo might be the tulips. So what we would do is we would then delete that image there, and then insert from image from gallery. We're going to have the smaller tulips, and then remember, destination is the business template. BUSINESS template. TEMPLATE. Okay, business template. Okay, so there we go. Just going to quit Skype because that's beeping. So as you can see, it's very easy to put these pictures in. Now I don't know about you, but I'm not a big fan of green, so I'm going to change that background banner. Now how we do that is we right click on it and you'll get an option, and you see here it says edit div. We're going to come back and use that in a minute, but first thing we need to do is decide what colour we want. So if you come to the background up here, right, you see it says more colours. First thing you do is if you go here and you say, well, I quite like whatever colour you want. Now I'm going to go for a nice blue. I think let's pick that blue there. Now you'll notice over here we now have the code for that colour. If you copy that colour there, click right click copy and click cancel. Okay. When you go back up here and you edit the div, if you click on advanced, you'll see background colour and you've got the hash code. If you highlight that hash code, right click paste, you put your new code in there. Then when you click on OK, it changes it to the blue that you want. Now obviously we have our text that we're going to edit here. Welcome from all at the Tulip Institute. There we go. You can put whatever you like, whatever your tagline is for your business, and then you can highlight that text and change the colour to white, and you can enlarge it, so you can change the size of the font. We can increase it or change the font to Homer, change the size, and these are the size of the font that you'll see. So if I change it to 16, you can see that 16 and that's the same size, and then obviously it goes right up to full banner size of 72. Now if we stick that at 18, you've got all sorts, and all of this is fully customizable. Okay, so you can change any time, you can change any of the text. I'm just going to go through again, changing some links and stuff. We're going to leave the headlines the same. Click here to register your interest or place your order. Now when this is live, if you were to click on that link, that would take you to the next page, which is the inquiry page. I'm not going to do that now, but what I am going to do is I'm going to show you how to change what that says. Okay, because we don't want them to place an order, we want them to register their interest. Whatever you want that to say, I'm going to show you how to change that now. If you right click on it, okay, you see down at the bottom here it says edit clickable link. So if you click on that, type of link, it's an internal page link. Internal page that it would take you to, as I said, would be the inquiry form. Okay, the destination, that's not required because it's an internal link. Okay, but as you see there, it says callus.forwork.co.uk/inquiry. Okay, and then the displayed text. Now the displayed text is what you want it to say. Click here for more information, and then you click OK, and there you go, it changes it. And obviously down the bottom again there's another clickable link here, and that will take you to Price Engines, which is one of our the private eye companies. Now obviously I don't want that to go there, so I'm going to take that link out completely, and you just highlight it, whoops, just highlight that and delete it. About us, again, I don't like the grey background. You right click on it, and then on this you would actually have to change the cell properties, because this is actually created up of so many cells. So if I just change one cell, look, you'll see what I mean. Cell properties, and again we're looking for the colour. Okay, here's the background colour, and on here you can actually change the background colour yourself. So let's go for a really gaudy pink, shall we? Look at that. Ugh. OK. OK, and look, we've changed that singular cell there to pink, and then we can change this singular cell here to green. And you can change it to whatever colour you want, however you like. Now you can background all of this by editing the div, going into advanced, and then changing, you know, adding the colour here. When you do that, remember, with the hash code. Don't know if we've still got that hash code in place. Let's put I think we need to copy the text from up here, so let's edit. You need the words background colour in there, so let's Control C, click cancel, back down here, edit the div, advanced, and then in there Control V. Then we want to change our background colour to, what should we have our background colour? Let's leave it at that, so it's blue. Okay, and that's pretty straightforward. And again, if you want to change your text, you just highlight your text and then change it to the colour that you want it. We're going to have white, and that means that it's nice and readable. Okay, so we've got a really blue website. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. Obviously it's fully editable, so you change it however you want. You can remove these and put pictures in if you want, or you can add bullet points. All the things that you can do up here are available. Okay, and you can write justify, center, justify it. You can put block quotes in, increase the indent, bullet points, numbering, do pretty much anything you want. And you can even insert an extra registration form should you wish to do so. Okay, so that comes to the end of the first tutorial. Don't forget to check and save it at the bottom, and if you want to preview it, see what it would look like on the web, just click the preview button and it will open it up, and you can get hold of the bottom, open it up full screen, and you can have a look at what your website would look like out there on the web. Like I said as well, we'll just show you that it is live, so I'm straight in here and it's callus.forwork.co.uk, and if I hit that, look, there it is. You can see it's up and live straight away. Okay, so the moment you register your own domain name, you will get that up and live on the internet, ready to use. Okay, so we'll finish that tutorial there. The next tutorial that we're going to do will be the next page, which is the inquiry page. Okay, speak to you soon.